E3CL B2 Flowmeter installation. The installation consists of 2 parts, transmitter and temperature sensor. Product second. Check the installed items. Installation of transmitter. 7 step. Step 1. Clean off rust and paint before installation. Step 2. Install the upper and lower pipe clamps at the selected position on the pipe. Tighten screws diagonally. Step 3. Tear off the protective film of the coupling pads. Apply a little bit coupling compound to the coupling pads. The arrows are aligned with the direction of the fluid. Install transmitter. Step 4. Install the temperature sensor marked in red onto the inlet pipe. Tighten the screw. Install the temperature sensor marked in blue onto the outlet pipe. Tighten the screw. Step 5. The wiring has started to be powered. Step 6. Enter pipe OD, wall thickness and material for instant accuracy. Flow rate data displays. Step 7. You can add thermal insulation to reduce pipe heat dissipation. Clamp still loose? Stick the 2 mm rubber pads inside. Display and key description. Upper part of the display area. R indicates measurement status. R indicates normal measurement. I indicates no signal. G indicates searching signal. Clamp on thermal energy or B2 flow meter has for keys. Operation instructions below. Menu. Up. Confirm. Down.